When I first get to the desktop, I'm going to look for the tool I use to browse the internet. On my computer, they're down at the bottom. They are all of my applications. Over here, I have Google Chrome and Apple's Safari. So at school, we use Safari on big machines in the lab, but on all of the other laptops, we use Google Chrome. I don't know which you might have at your house, but whatever one it is, let's go ahead and click on it now. Now, my computer defaults by going right to Google. For you, you might have to type in up here in the top in this toolbar. You might need to type in the word Google to bring you to this page. I need to be here on what's called the landing page so I can get to this blue button on the right-hand side. It says sign in. So I'm going to click on that. The computer's going to take me to my Google accounts. I have two of them, one for work here at school and a private one for issues and stuff at home. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my school account, and it's going to take me to where I would enter my password. Now, on your computer, you will be asked to enter a new password. You'll first use the one I listed in the video just prior to this, and then it'll ask you to create a new password. That's the one you're going to want to write down and not forget. Mine's already in here, so if I click, it takes me into my account. Well, here I am in my email. In my email, I will see the most current emails that have been sent to me. Over on the left-hand corner, I can see the icon that says Gmail and the main menu bar, which lets me change how I see the categories I have in my email. It automatically sorts things for you. And then I created some different folders for myself of places where I keep stuff. This is an email that I can click on and read. When they're dark like this, that means it hasn't been read yet. Over here in this oval shape, it says compose and it has this really cool rainbow plus button. This is the button, if I click it, will let me create a new email to somebody I would like to speak to. Now, it would be helpful, so I went ahead and clicked on that, if you knew the email of somebody. You might know a parent or a friend, and you might have to type it in. Because you're going to be a part of the school email, if you start typing in my name, it will come up. So I'm going to type in Henry, Henry. Now there are other Henrys who have email at our school. Henry Greenberg, Henry Goetz. Let me see. There's Adanya Henry. So that's somebody I know. These are all emails in my emails. All the school email will default into your list. This is mine. This picture of the little boy with a red shirt, that's me when I was really young. So I'm going to click on that, and that adds me to the person who's receiving this email. Next line here, it's called subject, and that's where you type in what your email is about. If we go back over to this list of emails, you can see the ones that I haven't read yet that are still dark. This first portion of the email is what is called the subject. It tells me the basic information about what this email might be about. So it's important for me to put that in there because it helps the person who's receiving it know what I want to talk about. So I will put in this subject here. I'm going to write test because I'm writing an email to myself. This next area here is called the body of the email, and that's where you write or add all the things you want to. This part that's here already, that's my list of things that I just send to people. It's called a signature, and it tells them things about me, how to contact me. So I'm going to go ahead and write into this email for myself, test number 1. All right, so now I know what this is, and I'm going to send it. Boom. So that's what I would like you to do today. I would like you to go ahead and click on the Compose button, create a new email, and if you don't know somebody's email to whom you can send it to, go ahead and type in mine, Henry, and send me an email. Say hello. That's it. Have a great day. we'll learn something new next class.